let's talk about why every woman should make an OnlyFans page on Kyle Talks Money. The me economy is fueling millennials into millionaire status. Ladies, it's time for you to make an OnlyFans account to show off your assets and make a lot of money from it. And I'm talking about $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 per month in subscription fees from desperate simps. This isn't a joke. You don't even have to be what society considers sexy or whatever. You're a woman. There are plenty of dudes out there who will pay you every month just to flash them a smile and pretend to be their virtual girlfriend. Plus, did I mention you can make a lot of money from it? No more working 40 hours for $15 an hour when you can make $500 an hour in less time so you can spend the rest of your day enjoying life. Mimosas and balcony Instagram pics, influencer stuff. And with an OnlyFans account, you can even sell your fans some merch, like maybe buy a bunch of panties from the dollar store or something, show them off on camera and sell them for $45 a piece. This is real money, and then you can quit after a year or two and live in Hawaii. And it doesn't even have to be lewds. You can do some weird stuff like just show your feet, or you can even be fully clothed and just chat with dudes who just want company. Looks don't even matter. You can be fat, skinny, tall, short, you can even be a former guy. There's a niche for every woman to make money on OnlyFans. There's a big gal who just eats chocolate in her bed and makes $16,000 per month, because chocolate is a natural aphrodisiac. No one even has to know, and even if they did find out, screw them. This is your life, your body, and you're providing a mental health service for millions of lonely guys out there who want some excitement in their lives. You can even wear a mask if you're ashamed to be found out. Best of all, ladies, you don't even have to meet these simps. I mean dudes, simps just sounds offensive now. Unlike being a stripper, you don't have to waste your time with creeps trying to feel you up or wait for you to leave the club. But just in case, remember to be safe even on OnlyFans. Make sure there's nothing that will give any information out when you're on camera. Make the room or wherever you're filming unidentifiable. I suggest not even using your real name. Women should be empowered to do whatever the hell they want. If it means going on OnlyFans and making thousands of dollars from it every month, they should be allowed to do it. Anyway, stay safe, ladies. What are your thoughts? Are you planning to start an OnlyFans page? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.